Welcome to Part 2, Getting Started. Start using the monitor by plugging it into the external power source. The monitor is battery-powered. A fully charged battery can operate continuously without an external power source for 8 to 10 hours, depending on the configuration and use. When connected to the main voltage, the battery charges by way of a power cord. A new battery requires 8 hours to charge fully for the first time, and the following recharge cycle is approximately 4 hours for a fully discharged battery. First, we will connect the non-invasive blood pressure hose. Connect the end of the air hose with quick-release clips to the non-invasive blood pressure connector on the left side of the monitor. Next, we'll connect the SpO2. This connector is also located on the left side of the monitor. Depending on the sensor type, plug an oxygen saturation sensor into the extension cable or directly into the monitor. If the barcode reader is to be used, connect it to any USB port in the back of the monitor. The temperature connection is next. If your monitor is equipped with Welsh-Allyn temperature, install the probe well. Insert the temperature probe into the probe well at the side of the monitor. Pull down the cover on the front side of the monitor, then connect the probe. Place the cover back in position. The colors of the probe ejection button and the probe well must match. Another temperature option is Exergen temporal scanner technology. Connect the Exergen temperature reader to any USB port at the back of the monitor. There is only one physical button on the monitor, the on-off button on the left side of the monitor. Under the on-off button, there are two more connectors. The upper one is a USB-B port for the PC connection, and the lower one is reserved for future use. Push the on-off button briefly to turn the power on. Push the button briefly to set the monitor in standby mode, and the power LED starts blinking. To turn the power off, push the on-off button until the monitor starts shutting down. If the monitor is not connected to a power source, it will automatically turn off after a configurable period of time. The monitor has a touchscreen for ease of use. Let's now review the display content. The icons on the bottom of the screen are used to operate and set up the monitor. The vital sign information is displayed on the home screen. The top part of the monitor displays the wireless connection status, battery charge, and power connections. Patient and caregiver information are shown in the middle of the top part. Date and time are located in the top right corner. The time is configurable to a 12-hour or 24-hour clock. The date and time are set in the service mode, or manually from the default setup if the automatic time and date update is not in use. Let us review each of the icons on the bottom part of the screen. The first icon on the left is Home. When it is selected, you return to the home screen. The second icon is the Alarm Setup. This allows you to set alarm limits for most of the vital sign values. The third icon is the Monitor Setup, which is used to access tabs, audible and visual, non-invasive blood pressure, oxygen saturation, temperature, and advanced. The fourth icon is Patients and Records. This allows you to log in the caregiver, admit the patient, access patient data, and discharge the patient. The fifth icon is Snapshot, which creates a manual snapshot of active vital signs determinations. The sixth icon is Help, which provides information on how to operate the monitor. First, we will log in the caregiver. Select the Caregiver button and enter the caregiver information. Select Confirm to finalize the login. To admit a new patient, choose the New Patient button and enter the patient information. Select the necessary field and type the details in. Fill in any other patient information, and finally select Confirm to save the patient. Alternatively, use the barcode scanner to both log in as the caregiver and to admit a new patient. Scan the barcode on the patient's wristband and select Confirm. You're now ready to start measuring vital signs.